I'm now currently on my way to this place called Gunung. There is supposed to be a very beautiful recreational park beside it. And make a left turn here. And this is the main entrance to the recreational park. The journey here from my hotel takes under 15 minutes, so it's actually not that far. Okay, the car park looks quite empty today, and this is the main drop-off point. I see an interesting feature here. Oh, you can read all about Lang Mountain, Gunung Lang, right here. And this is the boat that you will take to get to the other side of the lake, towards the inner part of the recreational park. And this is the jetty, and there's the sign right there. Oh, it's blocked. Oh well, anyway, this is Gunung Lang. I think I'll take a boat to the other side of the lake as well. Okay, I just bought a ticket to take the boat across the lake. Now I am currently walking towards the jetty, Gunung Lang jetty. Oh, the boat looks quite packed. Okay, now we are on our way to the other side of the lake. It's a slow journey, takes about maybe 10 minutes, at the most 15 minutes to get across the lake. It's quite a hot day today, so remember to bring your sunblock if you are coming here. Okay, reaching the jetty on the other side of the lake, and this is it. Now this is the inner part of the recreational park, where you see a couple of or rather many interesting features around here. There are even campsites that you can pitch your tents and stay overnight if you want to. Oh, such a nice place, so quiet, so peaceful. Some viewing tower here on my left. I don't think I'm gonna climb up there. Anyway, just walk around here and just enjoy the ambiance. Very nice and peaceful. Very hot though, so yeah, bring your sunblock. Okay, this is the lake. See another boat coming here. Wow, look at the way they steer the boat. Interesting and skillful, yeah. Oh, this place sort of reminds me of Thailand somehow. Very nice, calm, serene. Okay, just taking a walk along the park here. Some playgrounds for kids, in case you come with your family. I hear some waterfall sounds somewhere around. Wonder where is it? Okay, that was Gunung lang. Now I'm currently on my way to this place called Kellie's Castle. Journey will take around just under 30 minutes. Okay, quite far, but yeah, you can see Kellie's Castle on my right. The first look. And just gonna make a U-turn in the car park here, and this is the car park entrance to Kellie's Castle. And this is where you also pay the visitor fees right here at the car park entrance before you actually proceed further. There you go, Kellie's Castle. Oh, it's a long queue, even though it's on a weekday now. And that's where they collect the fees. Okay, done with that, and we are now at the entrance towards the Kellie's Castle, the actual entrance to get to the castle. Let me just walk over here and take a closer look at the place and show you how it looks like from here. Oh, it's pretty hot day as well. Wow, very sunny. There's a breeze going on, but it's hot. Bring your sunblock here as well if you're coming here. And right over there is the stairway to get to the castle. Quite a long way. Gonna walk there later. Okay, we first start by walking across this bridge. And this bridge crosses over the Sungai Raya River, if I'm not wrong. And this river connects all the way to Kinta River. Okay, proceeding, walking further into the stairway here, going up the slope. Oh, it's not too bad. There are a lot of places where you can take a rest if you find climbing the stairs too tiring. Okay, reach the top, and this is the castle level. I see some uncompleted parts of the castle over there. And right here, oh, I gotta get some shade from the sun, really hot. Okay, there are 4 levels to this castle, and along the way you can read about this, the history of this place. There are a lot of little signboards around here that you can really take your time and go through. Makes this place more interesting. Wow, shrouded in mystery. Oh, walking along here, I think this is one of the grand hall, the main hall. Okay, and they try their best to recreate how it would have looked like back then. The living room of Kellie's Castle. Here you go. Wow, it's a flashback to the past. Walking along here, the other side of the main hall, and you will soon see that there are a lot of passages around this place. Quite easy to get lost, but you have very nice views from the windows. Walking outside towards the uncompleted parts of the castle, or rather the ruins now, that are falling apart. Let me just walk over this side to get a better view. I think I'm walking towards the kitchen area. And yep, I suppose they say this is the kitchen area. It's a long corridor to the kitchen. And over there, another view over this side. See, there are a lot of hidden passages around here. And I think this one goes to a certain hidden stairway. A stairway to somewhere. And just walk over here and take a peep. Secret room, okay. So there it is, spiral staircase. Goes down to a secret room. It's too scary for me to go there. I think I'll just, this will do. And this is the main dining hall. Okay, let's see how the dining hall looks like. Okay, this is the dining hall. And walking towards the little balcony here. Oh, this is the lift shaft. Oh, it looks like a balcony. It's actually a lift shaft. It's supposed to be the first in Malaya, but never happened. So there it is. The lift shaft. Wow. See, all the views from the windows have very nice views, very scenic. And this is the river Raya River. goes all the way to Kinta River. I think I'll fly a drone later to give you a better view of how this place looks like from the top. Walking down this stairway very carefully. Oh, it's quite steep though. So if you're bringing kids along, be careful. On the way out, you will pass by this little feature here, locks. You can put a padlock here. Okay, so this is the Ipoh Night Market. Following some recommendations from the locals here, this is a good place to visit at night. And there you go. This is the entrance to Ipoh Night Market. And okay, alright, here we go. That way. Okay, first look of the place. Very quiet. It's a weekday right now. And according to the local, they said this place is quite crowded over the weekend. On a lot of nice bags, handicrafts around here you can find. Some snack food trucks as well. Very interesting ornamental plants you can see here. Beautiful. Okay, walking towards here is the food court, where you have a lot of food trucks and food stalls around here selling desserts and foods you can try. More over here. Yeah, it's pretty quiet now, but the stalls are open though, so you can try some of their local cuisines here. in its most natural state. Okay, this is the corridor towards all the shopping. There's a long corridor here, a long stretch of shops. You can take your time and walk. And one more thing to note is that this place is sheltered, so in case it rains, you can be sure that you will stay dry while you do your shopping. Okay, just show you this place over this side is actually the car park to Ipoh Night Market, and in the background you can see AEON. There's a shopping mall just right there. You can walk across the road, come here, and yeah, it's a very convenient place to visit. Little Christmas mood here. You can do some drift karting if you're interested. Nobody is here today, not many people, so okay, this is one of their carts that they use for the drift karting. Interesting, look at all the lights. Okay, there's another food court on the other side of this place. It looks like they sell the same kinds of foods, and oh, there is a live performance here. Wow, interesting. But it's a pity though. It seems like no one is watching. Anyway, it gives a nice ambience to the place. These plants are so cute. I think I'll just buy one while I'm at it. Alright dear friends, that's my little video on Ipoh. I hope you like watching this video as much as I did making this video. And if you like this kind of content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.